Okay, madam.
So, how was the question that I gave you yesterday?
Oh, it's very difficult, madam.
Yeah, okay. So today we're going to jump into a new topic, combination. So do you have any clue what is combination?
No.
No? Okay, combination. Okay. So for this lesson, I will teach you about combination and permutation. So as I have taught you before, permutation is only needed where the order is important, but the combination are the reverse. The combination are used when the order is not important. So it means that before this, we did a question where the words level, we need to create a new one with some restriction, which is we need to put A in front, or A at the end of the sentence, or E, or any of the alphabet. But in combination, we strictly do not have to do any of it because the order is not important. So I'm going to give you an example of combination. Discuss. Don't have any duster. Okay. Pay attention, everyone. So I'm going to give out some questions that I prepared before. So for first question, Vanessa. Is it okay, Vanessa? Yes. Vanessa is packing. Imagine like she's going to a vacation, packing her bag for her vacation in Italy. You always wanted to go there, right, Vanessa? Okay. And then she has 6 unique books. But her bag is too small, so only 3 out of 6 unique books that can fit in her bag. So the basic formula for combination is this one. MCR is equivalent to M factorial over bracket N minus R bracket N factorial R factorial. So basically, in this question, the word C inside the formula can be chosen. So right now, Vanessa has 6 unique books, but you can only fit 3 books. So basically, for example, if she has science book, unique, right? Maths, arts, history, or language, any language. And lastly, what else? Can you give me an example? Music.
Yeah.
Music book. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 books. Only 3 fit in. So it means that he has 6 books, but she needs to choose only 3. So 6 choose 3. Oh, I'm sorry. If not, can you calculate this for me? So the answer is 20. Okay. Okay, class, that's all for today. So before that, I will give you a quiz. Zach, I call this again. So you need to do this question before I discuss. But before that, I need to go to the toilet. Okay, keep it up.
Okay.
You slept for like 4 minutes already in my class.
No, I didn't sleep.
You got to You should get the answer right. I'm going to try the program. Okay, class.
If I said again now in class, what is this? What is permutation? Back question for references. What is the question? I don't understand at all lah. Combination, combination, probability. Fantastic lah. So frustrating. Oh, where am I? Where's everybody? Where's John? Where's Madam? Oh, I can press it again lah. Oh, but the question is not done yet. Who's that? I see someone. Maybe I should ask him. This question is very hard. I don't know how to solve this question. This question, oh, I think he can help me solve this question. Oh, hello, Sifu. I have some problem with this question. Can you help me, Sifu?
Let me show you how to do.
Sifu for the answer. The next, I have another question. Yeah, you know how to solve it?
For this, we need to meet another person.
You can do it.
We cannot do it. We need to meet another person. I hope you find another sister.
Permutation. Okay, what about this question? I think, is there anyone here that I can ask? Someone over there. What is he doing? What is he doing? Maybe he's another Sifu.
Hello,
Yes, yes.
are you Fa'at?
Yes.
Yes, you are the children one.
I have some question for you.
About permutation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
how do
Vincent
you
has
know?
called me. How about you?
Well, Sifu. Shall I call you Sifu?
Yes, why not?
Alright, Sifu. Yeah.
Let me teach you. Permutation is very easy, you know.
Okay.
What's the Sifu Vincent teach you is the basic one. So when the permutation become, if the number of permutation of n object taken only r at a time, we need to use this formula, that r and pr equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay.
so for this question, a basketball team has 12 basic plays, 12 as the n object. How many arrangement of 5 different plays could be called? So 5 is the r. Okay, then
Okay.
in this question, we use 12 pr equal to 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 5, I'm sorry, factorial. So the answer we can calculate by the calculator, that 12 p5 equal to 95,040 and 40.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yes.
We go to another question, permutation 2. So in this permutation, there are another formula. Because what? Because this formula, okay, I show you the formula one first. n factorial per r1 factorial r2 factorial, and then this is happen when there are identical object in the group. We need to use identical object. So like this question, how many arrangement can be formed from the word Malaysia? So how many words is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n is 8, and then there are three identical object. There are A, 1, 2, and 3. So we use this formula where R is this identical object, right? So in n is 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So the permutation, the answer for this question is we can calculate by calculator. 8 factorial by divided by 3 factorial. The answer is 6,720 arrangement can be formed. Like that. You can see, permutation is very easy for us. Thank you. You understand about permutation?
I totally understand.
Very easy, right?
Yes, it's easy. But okay, what about this question? It's about
Let me see.
probability.
Oh, probability.
Yes.
Probability. You need to see. Yeah, I know someone. Master Coffee.
Oh, another master.
You can go over there.
Okay.
Good
Thank
luck in
you.
your life.
Yeah, thank you for your help, master. What is probability? Probability, basically probability. So how do I say? Well, this question is very hard. See anyone? Oh, I see him. Hello, Master Garfield. I have. What do you want to know from me? I have some question that I don't understand. One question. Oh, probability. Oh, this is very easy, my friend. I should be sure. Yes. It's not in the table. I will teach you. Oh, Master Garfield. The first probability question is, the question states that 4 blue, 2 red, and 3 black pens. If a pen is drawn at random from the pack, replaced, and the process repeated 2 more times, what is the probability of drawing 2 blue pens and 1 black pens? The keyword here is repeated. Repeated, that means this is a independent event. Okay, independent event is 2 or more events are independent if the occurrence of one event does not affect the probability of another event. This means that the pen is not affected. The number of pen is still the same because the pen, when we draw the pen, the number of the pen is the same. For example, independent event. I give A, B, C. If it is replaced, this is the first selection. And this is the second selection. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. This means that if we take A, and then for the second selection, there's still A because we replace the A. So the A will not disappear in the second selection. It will be still the same. Okay. Back to the question. 4 plus 2 plus 3 equal to what? 9 pens. The totals of the pen is 9 pens. Okay. First, we want 2 blue pens and 1 black pen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. First, probability of drawing 1 blue pen is 1. For blue, we call B pen equal to 4 over 9.
4/9.
And the probability of for drawing another blue pen is still 4 over 9. Because what? Because the number of the pen is still the same because we replace it. Okay, 4 over 9. And then the probability of drawing one black pen is 3 over 9. One black pen. The 4 over 9 means that there is 4 blue pen out of 9 pens, and 3 over 9 is mean that there are 3 black pens out of the 9 pens. So to find the probability of drawing 2 blue pens and 1 black pen, we need to multiply them all. And 1 black pen equal to 4 over 9, the first drawn, times by 4 over 9, and times by 3 over 9. This will equal to 4 over 9 times 4 over 9 times 3 over 9. Equal to 8 over 81. That's the answer for question number 1. Did you get it, Fahad?
Yes. Very clear.
Yeah. Okay. Now we move on to the next question, which is a pack contains 4 blue, 2 red, and 3 black pens. If 2 pens are drawn at random from the pack, not replaced, and then another pen is drawn, what is the probability of drawing 2 blue pens and 1 black pens? Almost the same as the last questions, but the keyword is here is not replaced. So this means that the question is a dependent event. Dependent event is when 2 events occur, but the outcome of one event affects the outcome of another. Then it is called dependent events. So one event depends on another event. Okay, like this. See, first selection. This is the second selection. Okay, here first, when we take out A, and for the second section, there are no more A because we do not replace them. So like this, we take A, left only B, C. In B, we took B, only left A and C. And for C, we took out C, only left A and B for the second selection. Okay, now let's go back to the question. Okay, what I say here is like the first questions, the probability is of drawing one blue pen is equal to 4/9. This is when the total of pens is 9. But however, for the second one, another one or another one B pen or blue pen equal to 3 over 8. 3 over 8. This is because after we took out one blue pen, it's only left 8. 8, right? 9 and then 8, right? And there's only 4 blue. Then we take out one blue pen, so it's left 3. So it's 3 over 8. And then probability of drawing one black pen 3 over 7. Why 7 is fine? Because we already took 2 pen out from the pack. So it's only left more 7 out of 9. However, the black pen, there is 3 black pen from 3 black pen from the pack. So 3 over 7. Okay, now we want to find what is the probability of drawing 2 blue pens and 2 black pen. We just time them, multiply them. 2 blue pen and 1 black pen. 4 over 9 times 3 over 8 times 3 over 7. Got it? 4 over 9 times 3 over 8 times 3 over 7 equals to 1 over 14. That's the probability of drawing 2 blue pens and 1 black pen out of the pack. You understand now?
Yeah. Now I understand. What is probability and stuff.
It's only for dependent and independent variable.
So what about this other question?
Oh, this mutually exclusive and exclusive. I think you need to make another CPU for this probability side.
Another thing.
Okay, yeah. It's very cool for the topic. That's all I can teach you.
Alright. In that case, thank you so much for your help.
No problem, no problem.
Consider the following events when a dice is what is the question? I see now this is who. This is he or she? Hi. Are you listening? Master?
Yes, I am master.
How to solve this question?
What question?
About probability.
Wow, probability. I know probability question. Did you know what is probability all about?
No.
You don't know. Probability is the chance of an event to probability. Probability is the chance of an event to occurring, or a measurement of the likelihood that an event will occur. For this question, what did you know about? This question is as consider the following event when a dice is a roll. A. An even number is observed 2, 4, 6. B. An odd number is observed 1, 3, 5. C. A number less than 4 is observed 1, 2, 3. First, this question want to ask your understanding about type of event or probability first. Event A and B mutually exclusive. Did you know what is mutually exclusive all about? Mutually exclusive is about two events are said to be mutually exclusive if they're occurring at one exclude possibility of the occurrence of the other in a single observation. First, this question, we know this is one type of event mutually exclusive. Your image must get this question like this. This is for sample A and B. So we need to apply the question to apply this example to this question. Event A and B mutually exclusive. This is what our simple step. A. A consists of number 2, 4, 5. And B consists of number 1, 3, 5. Do you see that this question is no intersection? So if the question is no intersection, it means that the question is a mutually exclusive, and A are. This is the answer. Even A and B are mutually exclusive. Next, this question also asks your understanding about what is mutually exclusive. So, even B and C mutually exclusive. So we need to do the Venn diagram first. B, C, 5 and 2, 1 and 3. So this is not mutually exclusive because there are some intersection from probability B sample and C sample 1 and 3. So the answer is not exclusive. Next, the last question. If event A and B exhaustive. Do you know what is exhaustive about? Exhaustive is the set of events whose union cover the sample space R. It means that your Venn diagram will have some your Venn diagram will have the intersection like this. A, B. So we need to apply this example into our question. Even A and B are exhaustive. This is our Venn diagram. This will be the diagram. A, we got A, 4 and 6. B, we got, for B question is, oh my god, this question is wrong. So we need to cancel it first because it's wrong. So this is the right. A and B. 2, 4 and 6. B, 1, 3, 5. So this event is not exhaustive. Exhaustive, we need to have some intersection. For this Venn diagram, there is no intersection between A and B. So event A and B not exhaustive. So, for the next question, a bag contains 4 red pencils, 7 white pencils, and 2 blue pencils. The question want to ask you, what is the probability that a pencil from the bag randomly is either a red or a white marble? So from the question we know or, it means or, there's a no intersection. So this question is about mutually exclusive event because they use word or. First, to find the question, there are some formula we need to use. P for P into probability pencil we have is NA and S. NA is the event that we want. NS is the total sample space. From the question, we need to find the sample space first. For the sample space, we need PS NS equal to 4 plus 7 plus 2. Okay. 4 plus 7 plus 2. So we get 13. This our total sample space is 13. So the question asks to find the probability that pencil either red or white. Or probability red or white. Since that we know that this question is a mutually exclusive event, so it's easy for us to do it. Red, how many red they have in the box? We have 4. 4 divided by 13 plus or is not, there's no intersection between the question, between the sample. 4 over 13 plus by 7 over 13. So we got 11 over 13. 11 over 13 is our probability. This is the probability.
I have done your question. Now you can back to do. Bye bye.
Thank you, master.
Oh, what was that? Oh, all finished up.
Oi, nice food lah, baby. Woo, very easy. So easy ah, it's kacang lah. Nothing ah for me. Woo, woo. Okay, madam, all done. Yeah.
Wow. I have space for you. Let me see. Fantastic. Just for the, I want to know it for community, but all fun.
Yeah, I'm a genius.
Hey, oh, your calculation is very good. Oh my god. Good. So, it's like that. I'm sure that you're very understanding about this topic. So,
question.
It's already on the board.
Next question.
Okay, if you score this, I'm sure that you're going to do well for your final, Zaki.
Okay, where is the book? Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Thank you, John.
Okay, I'll go sit on your place, then you're going to do the question for me. Explain it to everyone in this class.
Oh, this is a very tricky question. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed?
Before that, do you know what type of question is this?
This question is about, I think it's more like combination, not combination.
Yes, why?
Because combination is an arrangement of, I don't know how to say, it is an arrangement of things. Maybe for example, I give, how to open this? Okay. This is the sequence ABC. This is for combination. For combination, whereas the order is not important. So it's ABC or ACB or CBA. It's
Yes.
just the same. But if for permutation, the order is very important. So ABC is not equal to ACB. It's not same.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Second question here, I don't know why this doesn't have any lesson. So you got this again, and then you do the question for everyone in class. John, stop playing your phone to focus to your pen.
Shut up, John.
Sorry, again.
Okay, for this question, let me just. Okay, I will divide it into consonants and vowel. Consonants and vowels. Okay, so for the first one, it was out of 7 consonants. So the question one, 2 out of 3.
Yes.
So that's 7 CT like that. And
Fantastic.
okay, let's get the solve it for vowels.
Just
Just
copy paste if you need it.
later.
Oh, here.
Okay, that's
Oh.
4 vowels and 2 vowels. So just like that, 4 and 2. Then I can use my calculator. 7, 3, okay, 25. And 4, C2, 6. But this is not the final answer. The final answer is you must divide because the question want both of them, not this one, not this one. So 7, C3, C2. So the final answer is 35 times 6. So 110. This is the final answer. Is it correct, Adam?
Yeah. Well, I'm quite impressive. It's very quite impressive, huh? I'm quite proud of it because it's in class, in my class. We actually listen to what I have taught you, Mela.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, sure. Sorry. Okay, anything else? So I guess that's all for today. I think you can score it very well in your final examination. Combination is actually, if you really understand it well, you can score it. It's just a bit tricky, but I'm sure you can do it. So fast. I guess that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. No?
Thank you, Adam. John, this is something.
Yes?
No, nothing.
Alright, if you do have any question, you can WhatsApp me.
Okay.
No worries.
Saya dah sekolah husband ni.